This will be a split screen assignment where you do a problem and then you can check it, and you can split the screen, bring in the YouTube video, and then check along with it, and just to see if you've done this right. And you could do one whole side straight down and then watch the video. I'll be pretty quick going through these ones, and then after that you can do the other side and then check it that way too. For the first one, you just find something that's in common between the two. There's a 3 here and a 3 here. You can pull that out. So this would be 3. What's left over? The 2 plus the 5. So this would be 3 times 2 plus 5. If it works out, it's just 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. For the next one, what can you pull out of there? You could pull out a 3 because 3 goes into both. So I'll take 3 out. 3 times a is 3a plus 3. Now this is where a lot of people make mistakes. They make mistakes thinking like, okay, I just leave this as 9, but it's not. It'd be 3 times 3 is 9. You have to make it work out like that one. This one, you pull a 5 out of there. This is c plus, then you say, okay, 5 times what is going to be 15? 5 times 3. So really you're looking for a common multiple. For the next one, you have to decide what goes into both 6 and 9, and 1 does, the other one doesn't count. 2 doesn't go to 9. 3 goes into both. 4, 5, or 6, no, neither of them. So we're going to pull a 3 out. Then we have to say, okay, I have to get this to 6a, so I have to say 3 times what is going to be 6. 3 times 2 is, so I made it 2a, so 3 times 2a is 6a, and then to get 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and if I work it out, it'd be 6a plus 9. And number 9, you have to decide what goes into both 12 and 8. Let's see, 2 does, so we could pull a 2 out of there, but I want to see if there's a bigger number I could pull out. 3 does not, 4 does. 5, 6, 7, 8, none of those do. So I'm going to actually pull a 4 out of there. And to make it so I can get to 8 would be 2 times w. That would give me 8w plus 4 times what is going to be 12. It's 4 times 3. So 2w plus 3. Switching to the other side, you would do deciding which one you're going to take out. Looks like there's a 5 in both. Did that on purpose. So 5 would come out, and it would be 4 plus 6. That would work out. The next one, we're going to take a 2 out of there. So it would be b plus 3. The next one, you'll take a 9 out of there, because 9 goes into both 9 and 27. So it would be z plus 3. And on the next one, you could take a 5 out of there. Now this one's not complete, not full. So if you take a 5 out of it, you have to make it so that it's going to be 10c. So it would be 2c plus 3. And if we practice or check back to c, 5 times 2, and which is 10c. 5 times 2c is 10c, and 5 times 3 is 15. On the last one, 9 and 15, you have to decide what goes into both. And what goes into both is 3. So I get 3x plus 5. Because that'd be 9x and then 15.